How to tag someone on Instagram story without showing it. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to tag someone on Instagram without actually showing that person's name, here's what you need to do. So first just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. Open now simply open up your Instagram application and click on your story option over here at the top left corner. And once you're inside here, just select any of the images that you would like to share, or you can also actually click on image, completely new one. So as you can see, in this case, I have taken this images over here. So to tag a person, I will simply tap on this sticker icon over here and click on mention, and simply mention this person over here. And I want to hide this person name from over here. So basically, first thing what you want to do is just make sure you make the size of this username as smaller as possible, and simply try to drag it all the way down. So it might take some practice, so you just have to be cool about it and simply do it. And you can also actually use filter to hide it completely. And once you are satisfied with your username being hidden completely, then that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.